Hello everybody, I'm going to present you today how to make an automatic nightlight circuit using an LDR. Alright, so stay tuned. For the project of today, automatic nightlight circuit, we're going to need one MOSFET RFZ44N. We're going to need a resistor 22K or a 270K if you're going to need it indoors. A load, in this case an LED, battery source, 18650 cell, and the most important part, an LDR. If you don't know what's an LDR, check out the description. It's called light depending resistor. Basically, when this stuff is exposed to light, it has lower resistance. When it's exposed to the dark, so no light, it's got higher resistance. That's all the stuff it is with. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, first thing, we're gonna take the MOSFET RFZ44N, we're gonna take the light depending resistor LDR, and we're gonna connect the pins as I'm gonna show you now. Basically the first and the last, the LDR in between. So nothing fancy, just we're gonna twist it and then we're gonna sort it out. Alright, just easy. Very easy project, everyone can do it at home. Alright, so it's gonna look like this. Then we're gonna take our resistor, 22K in this case, but you can use a 270K, and we're gonna put the resistor here to the first pin. Stay till the end of this video because I'm gonna show you the diagram and all the necessary stuff to do this automatic nightlight simple circuit. Alright, we have put the resistor. Here we're gonna connect the positive of our battery, and from the middle pin, which is gonna be our negative, we're gonna connect the load, this negative side of the load. We're gonna connect to the middle pin, like so. Come on, flappy hands. Alright, and then we're gonna connect the positive side of our LED bulb, in this case, but in your case it's gonna be the same, the positive side of an LED or something similar, and we're gonna connect it to the resistor that I showed you previously. And we are nearly done, halfway there. Here you go, friends, this is the near the end circuit. We got the right hand side and the left hand side pin of the MOSFET transistor in between the LDR. From the first one, the resistor, the LED, and we're gonna connect our power supply here, the negative, and where this one are joining here, we're gonna be the positive. Alright, so stay tuned. Finished product, we have the transistor, the LDR is here, and we have two wires. This one is gonna be the negative, and this one is gonna be the positive. And now, ta-da! The time for diagram, folks. So we have the load, the MOSFET. The load is in between the MOSFET and the source. We have here the 22K resistor, the LDR between gate and source, and then minus and plus, and this is pretty easy to make. And the only thing you have to change here, 22K if is for outside, and 270K if you want to do something inside when you have not that the same intensity of the sun. All right, let's test it out. All right, friends, we have the battery here. I said that this one is the negative terminal. We're gonna connect to this 18650 cell, and we are so close to have this automatic nightlight. Let's see. It's already, you can have a glitch. It's lighting. Here you go, friends. Bam, bam, here you go. It's working like a charm. And here is not that bright, not that intensity. I got just this 200 watts bulb, so it's doing. You can use it inside, outside, or wherever you want. Thanks all for watching. In the meanwhile, thumbs up, subscribe, and share the fun, friends. Yeah, LED man, nightlight circuit with an LDR. Simple as hell. Woohoo! See